slope protection, and 29-meter length reinforced concrete canal. Bid opening will be on September 2, 2026. This may bagi ni the looping. Project billboard, signboard 2H, the Occupational Safety and Health Program, one lump sum with an ABC of 62,418.42 centavos. Traffic management, one lump sum. Mobilization, demobilization, one lump sum. Or the structure excavation, common soil, 30 cubic meter. Embankment from barrow, granular coarse material, 72.57 cubic meter. The reinforcing is still the grade 40, 296.03 kilogram. Structural concrete, 20.68 megapascal, class A, 7 days, 5.51 cubic meter. Stone masonry, 132.13 cubic meter. For the minimum major equipment requirements, we have here the low bed with prime mover or self-loading truck 1, dump truck at least 1 own, water truck 1, backhoe 1 own, cargo delivery truck 1. So same with the laboratory equipment, we have the list, and this should be owned by the bidder or the contractor. For the key personnel, we have the project manager, at least 1 year experience. Project engineer may not be DPWH accredited. Materials engineer may not be DPWH accredited, and the foreman at least 1 year experience. So for the first aider, with the photocopy of certificate of first aid training issued by the Red Cross or by any organization accredited by the same in compliance to all requirements subject to DO 241 series of 2024 on the submission of CSP approved by the HOPE or the district engineer, and the valid first aider ID from Philippine National Red Cross. Same with the construction site safety officer with photocopy of certificate of completion on the basic OSS course issued by the DOL, BWC, the accredited safety training organizations or the recognized institution. Include the contact number, address, stock identification number, machine copy of PRC, and the materials engineer and project engineer. So next we have here the project contract ID 6PL0078, and again it's the second time. The organizational outcome 1, ensure safe and reliable national road system bridge program. Rehabilitation, major repair of permanent bridges, Kamalugan Bridge, Bridge ID BO4395LC along Balbalan, Pinokpok Road. Location, Pinokpok, Kalinga, with an ABC of 5,762,400 pesos only. Contract duration, 120 calendar days. Brief description, the rehabilitation of 19.95 meter length bridge. Construction of 40.35 meter length by 6.70 meter width by 0.28 meter thick PCCP. Reinforced concrete bridge approach, asphalt overlay. 20 meter length stone masonry and reflectorized thermoplastic pavement markings. Again, the bid opening will be on September 2, 2026. For the BOQ, we have the project billboard signboard 3H, organizational safety and health program, one lump sum with an ABC of 178,740 pesos and 28 centavos. Traffic management, one lump sum. Mobilization, demobilization, one lump sum. The removal of actual structures of obstruction, 0.23 millimeter thick PCCP and reinforced. 484.31 square meter. For the subgrade preparation, common material 350.64 square meter. Aggregate sub-base course 33.43 cubic meter. And the emulsified asphalt 484.31 square meter. Bituminous concrete surface wearing course hot lead 50 mm 484.31 square meter. The Portland cement concrete pavement unreinforced to 80 mm thick 14 days to 70.35 square meter. And the reinforced steel grade 40 bridge structures and other major and minor structures 884.04 kilogram. Reinforcing steel grade 60 the bridge structures and other major and minor structures 2,595.76 kilogram. Structural concrete 27.58 megapascal class A 28 days bridge superstructure 38.23 cubic meter. For the forms and falls work, one lansam carbon fiber sheet 2 layers 278.60 square meter. Stone masonry 107.50 cubic meter. The reflectorized thermoplastic pavement markings white 13.53 square meter. The reflectorized thermoplastic pavements marking yellow 6.74 square meter. For the minimum major equipment requirements, we have here the low bed trailer with prime mover or self-loading truck 1, dump truck 2 own, water truck 1, backhoe with breaker 1 own, transit mixer 1 unit but own, motorized road grader 1, road roller 1, cargo delivery truck 1. Same with the laboratory equipment. Asphalt paver 1 own, tandem steel roller 1 own, pneumatic tire roller 1 own, asphalt distributor 1 own, power broom 2, kneading machine 1, applicator machine 1. Laboratory equipment, we have here the list and it should be owned by the bidder. For the key personnel, we need 1 project manager, 1 year experience. Project engineer may not be DPWH accredited, materials engineer must be DPWH accredited, and the foreman 1 year experience. Same with the first aider with photocopy of certificate of first aid training issued by the Red Cross or by any organization accredited by the same in compliance to all requirements subject to DO 241 series of 2024 on the submission of CSP approved by the Hope District Engineer and valid first aider ID from the Philippine National Cross. Same with the construction site safety officer with photocopy of certificate of completion on the basic OSS course issued by the DOL, BWC, the accredited safety training organizations, or the recognized institutions. Include contact number, address, tax identification number, machine copy of PRC on MEPE accreditation of the K personnel. So let's put it to the contract ID 26PL0095. So the organization outcome 1, ensure safe and reliable national road system, asset preservation program, preventive maintenance, secondary roads, Mountain Province boundary, Kalanan, Pinokpok, Abut Road. And this is at Kagalwan, Kalanan section. At KO 477 plus 735 to KO 479 plus 768. Location Tabuk City, Kalinga with an ABC of 39,373,400 pesos only. Contract duration, now in the calendar days. Brief description, we have here the construction of 4.026 lane kilometer asphalt overlay, reblocking of 141 meter length by 3.35 meter width by 0.28 meter thick PCCP, and the installation of 543 units solar studs and thermoplastic reflectorized pavements marking. Again, the bid opening will be on September 2, 2026. We have here the provision of furniture, fixtures, equipment, and appliances for the field office of the engineers with an ABC of 154,112 pesos only, one lump sum. Provision of 4x4 pickup type service vehicle for the engineers on bare rental basis with an ABC of 162,845.76 pesos only, 3 vehicle month. Provision of survey equipment for the assistant to the engineers with an ABC of 1,282,400 pesos only, one lump sum. Project billboard, signboard, 3/8. The occupational safety and health program with an ABC of 124,721 pesos and 95 centavos only, one lump sum. Traffic management, one lump sum. Demobilization, one lump sum. The removal of actual structures, obstruction, 230 mm thick PCCP reinforced, 472.35 square meter. Surplus common excavation, 94.47 cubic meter. Subgrade preparation, the common material, 472.35 square meter. Aggregate subbase course, 47.24 cubic meter. The emulsified asphalt, 13,487.10 square meter. For the bituminous concrete surface wearing course, hot laid, 50 mm thick, 13,487.10 square meter. Portland cement concrete pavement and reinforced to 80 mm thick, 14 days, 472.35 square meter. The pavement milling, 13,013.20 square meter. Internally illuminated solar pavement leveled marker stud flash type bidirectional, 543 each. We have here the reflectorized thermoplastic pavement markings white, 503.25 square meter. The reflectorized thermoplastic pavement markings yellow, 93 square meter. Okay, so we have here the minimum major equipment requirements. We have here the low bed trailer with prime mover or self-loading truck. 1. Dump truck, we need 2 own. Payloader 1. Water truck 1. Tandem steel roller 1 own. Pneumatic tire roller 1 own. Asphalt paver 1 own. Asphalt distributor 1 own. Transit mixer 2 own. Motorized road grader 1. Road roller 1. The cargo delivery truck 1. Power broom 1 2-meter wide, cold milling machine 1, diamond coring machine 1, air compressor 1, vacuum sweeper 1, kneading machine 1, and the applicator machine 1. So with the laboratory equipment, we have the list, and this should be owned by the bidder or the contractor. So with the key personnel, we need one project manager with 2 years experience, project engineer, may not be DPWH accredited, materials engineer must be DPWH accredited, and the foreman, we need 2 years experience. So with the first aider, with photocopy of certificate of first aid training issued by the Red Cross or by any organization accredited by the same, in compliance to all requirements subject to DO 241 series of 2024 on the submission of CSP approved by the HOPE or the district engineer, and the valid first aider ID from the Philippine National Cross. So with the construction site safety officer with photocopy of certificate of completion on the basic OSS course issued by the DOL BWC, the accredited safety training organizations or the recognized institutions. Include also the contact number, address, tax identification number, machine copy of PRC, and the MEP accreditation of the carry personnel.
With Coretta.
And yes, since this more than 30, the bidder should be an ISO accredited. Why andan yung mic pa? Deferred na. Oh, manin.
Ano ba? Repro? Mano? Yung project here.
School buildings.
Record lang na ito niya. So, that's end of our pre-bid conference. So, thank you mga prospective bidders for attending this pre-bid. But wala kayong question. Ayos na.
Okay.
Okay.
More than 30 million na ito. Natabalak yung ISO.
Regarding sa equipment, specifically sa laboratory.
Awan. Ay, barbaro kayo? Hindi mimot nga nakita no, barbaro kayo.
Ayun.
Ngam depende adi ko. Yung
Last quarter, 2025 lang ako kompleto ko yung papers ni JPA. So, mas na 2026 lang ako
niya ti GPA. Ha? Taga ano?
Ayun. Hello.
Ha?
Well,
Yeah. Tanyo ata dyan tinagapuan ti flood control. Bulakan.
Yung kabarbaro ka lang dito eh. Kasi nung nabayad ka ng contractor,
You
you should have your own.
Ito lang sa amin, sir, na nagwala.
ano barbaro isunod. This is the
First time.
mga contractor na ita. So kung dito mang kita ang bigay ko ba? Company profile yun.
Awal, sir, di ang PTE kasi JPA lang, sir, dito lang results.
Yung taga-Bulacan po naman.
Nagkabulakan sa campus. Bakit? Apapan kami na tinglayo.
So ngayon, laboratory equipment na should be owned. Oh, it should be owned.
registered, no hanggang you registered, yun na bayad kayo nito, contractor. Okay na yun.
Pwede nalalay gyapon.
Hanggang sir, lumal, ano po kayo.
Should be on.
Should be all.
Pati no kayo pa nga ng contractor.
Kailangan
So thank you for coming to observe our pre-bid. Likewise for those who followed us on our live streaming, thank you also.